DIY, fixing my tilt mechanism on my blinds. As you can see, I'm tugging and nothing is happening. My blinds are not tilting. So I made this little video just to record what I did. And first things first, I rolled up the blinds and I'm gonna take them off. This is the part I ordered from eBay. It is a Hunter Douglas tilt mechanism for wooden or Faux blinds. I'm gonna take off the end caps, and I should have used something else, but this is what I had handy. I just used the back end of a flathead screwdriver. And next thing I did was take off this metal rod that helps to make the blinds tilt. Notice the metal rod isn't pushed out all the way. I just pushed it to that next mechanism to right there, and it's just holding in place. I'm gonna take this piece out and take a look, see what's wrong. As you can see, it's all messed up, so I had to use a flat to kind of pry it out. And as you can see, it's broken, that bottom piece there. Now this is the unit itself. And you can see the inside. I'm gonna use a flat to jiggle it around. It's all broken. This is the new part here. I'm gonna insert that line into the holes right there on the new part, and then right back out the other hole. And the line's already got a knot in it that measures the middle. So when I pull that line out, it'll come to a stop, and then the line itself should be of equal measurement. Next thing I'm gonna do is insert that line into the two separate slots. So it doesn't really matter which slot you go in first, as long as you get one and the other. It should work just fine. And then wind it up a few times, and then you should be good. And then snap it right into the rail. Now ensure it's all flush, flat. Just good to go. And the next thing is to push that metal rod back, and Make sure it's aligned and doesn't go over the rail there. And then just insert the metal bracket, the end caps. And then we should be ready to rock and roll after. Now it's time to put it back in place. And it's a success. I got tilting blinds again.